Hello, good morning, students. How are you, dear children? Good. Okay, students, as you know, we have finished in your class, in your subject SST, we have finished chapter 13. And today I am going to start a new chapter, chapter 14, the Great Indians. Such as the name of your chapter, the Great Indians, means you are knowing, you are going to know about a great Indians people through this chapter. Means you are going to know about your greatest person in India, and they got, they achieved a good respect in our country India. So student, let's start about today's chapter, about today's topic, the great Indians. And through this chapter we have to know about great Indians people. Okay, you know, India has the rare distinction of producing many great men and women, and many of them have received appreciation for their works in science, literature, education, and art from all over the world. And some of the great men who earned world fame are as follows. Means we are going to know about a special person, about a great scientist who work in literature, education, and art, and they also became famous in the world. And these personalities are C.V. Raman. So C.V. Raman. We are going to know about a C.V. Raman. You know, Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman. The full name of the C.V. Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman. Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman. According to this name, we can understand that C.V. Raman was a South Indian. Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman. Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman or C.V. Raman was born in 1888. Born in 1888. Where? In a small village in Tamil Nadu. In Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu. I told you, Tamil Nadu located in South India, means they belong there. He was born in 1888 in Tamil Nadu. Okay, and he was a very bright student when he was 12 years old. He completed the matriculation, means class 10th. When he was a very small age, means 12 years old, completed a matriculation, means class 10th also. He loved physics and mathematics. He joined the Presidency College in Chennai. Means such as people, student, you can say the quality showing from childhood. And we can see in C.V. Raman, in a very small age, in 12 years, he had done matriculation in class 10th, and like also physics and mathematics, and joined the Presidency College in Chennai. His father taught physics in a college. At the age of 19 years, C.V. Raman became a member of the Indian Association for Civilization of Science. Member of, he became member Association. Became the member of Indian Association for cultivation of science. And with this, he did research in optics, the science of sight. This research made him world famous in 1928 when they started a research, and he famous in 1928. He made a discovery about light. He made a discovery about light, and this discovery also came to be known as the Raman effect. What was the name? Raman effect. Known as Raman effect means invention in light, and this invention known as a Raman effect, and he was awarded Nobel Prize. Awarded Nobel Prize, awarded by Nobel Prize. Awarded by Nobel Prize. Awarded by Nobel Prize in physics for the discovery. C.V. Raman inspired many great scientists. Means they got a Nobel Prize in physics, Nobel Prize in physics, and they inspired many great scientists. Such as I told, C.V. Raman was inspired by so many scientists. He advised to young scientists is, look at the world around you. Look at the world around you. His advice, it was advice by C.V. Raman means advice to young scientists is well type advice given by C.V. Raman. Look at the world around you. Do not limit yourself to research in the laboratory. Means continue to research in laboratory. This advice given by C.V. Raman. And according to him, the essence of the science is independent thinking and hard work, not equipment. Okay. The great personality C.V. Raman, Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman. Okay, after the C.V. Raman, we will discuss about one more great personality. The name is Dr. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam. Okay. APJ Abdul Kalam. Abdul Kalam, great personality, APJ Abdul Kalam, the missile man of India, commonly called to APJ Abdul Kalam. The missile man of India, the missile man of India, commonly APJ Abdul Kalam was known as the missile man of India. Our former president APJ Abdul Kalam, former president means he was the president in India, president of India. So we are going to know about APJ Abdul Kalam. The former president APJ Abdul Kalam is the pride of India, means so many people pride on APJ Abdul Kalam because in starting time he was belong a very poor family and distributing the newspaper also, means you can understand in the morning time they do work and after that they went in school, which distributed the newspaper in the early morning and after that they went in school. So our former president APJ Abdul Kalam is the pride of India. He is the only Indian scientist after C.V. Raman to get the Bharat Ratna award. Awarded by Bharat Ratna. Awarded by Bharat Ratna. It is a great award, Bharat Ratna, the top award of the Bharat Ratna. And only few people get a Bharat Ratna who done work to the upliftment the condition of the India and famous the India related to so many master research or anything, and few people in India have got Bharat Ratna award. Okay, the prestigious award was conferred on APJ Abdul Kalam on 26 November 1997. 26 November 1997. They got a Bharat Ratna award, and with this to him goes the credit of making India self-reliant in defense, means related to defense, military and technology. The self-sufficiency, this type activity created by APJ Abdul Kalam. So this we say missile man of India, and also he has taught the Indian that other will recognize and respect India only it goes strong on its own, and known as the missile man of India. You know why? Because they made a missile to the India in defense to given a safety to India. Kalam has proved that the country has enough brains and resources to reach a position of superiority. In a period of 14 years, he lined up the missile like Prithvi, Agni, Trishul, Akash and Nag. Means according the name this type missile work on, such as Prithvi work on this land, and Agni, Trisul in sky, Akash also, Nag also. So the different type of great missile made by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So many missile provided by, given by by the research to India in defense by the APJ Abdul Kalam. So we call missile man of India. He has also designed the state of the art electronic welfare system. Dr. Kalam also loves reading and enjoy classical music. APJ Abdul Kalam also loves classical music. He is also a poet in Tamil. He is also poet in Tamil. After that, we have to know about a more great personality. Such as after the APJ Abdul Kalam, we have to know about a great personality such as Sushruta and M.F. Hussain. M.F. Hussain was a artist designer and making different type of art. Sushruta was a physician, surgeon, and about all the great personality we will know in the next class. So many great persons became in our country India, but among all we will discuss here about a few great personality, and about a few great personality we will discuss in the next class. Okay, note down your today's homework. You have noted all the point? You have noted all the point? Okay. Homework. When and where was born C.V. Raman? When and where was born C.V. Raman? Who is known as the Missile Man of India? Who is known as the Missile Man of India? write two missile name write two missiles name made by APJ Abdul Kalam. Write two missiles name made by APJ Abdul Kalam. Means you have to write two missiles name made by APJ Abdul Kalam. Note down your homework. Have you noted? Have you noted homework? Okay. So thank you, student. And in the next class, we'll discuss about more topic. Thank you. Have a good day.